everyone, I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. And today's video is my Glitz Glam box for May 2019. So let's open this. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I want the card to fall out. It's always a pretty presentation. They change the color of their boxes, so that's nice. So you get a card, and the card does give you some information on the back, and then it tells you the products and the value of the products, which is nice. I do like that. And Glitz Glam Box is a $15 a month with free shipping monthly subscription. The company was started by 3 sisters, and I think that that's lovely. They are a local brand to me. I live in Pennsylvania, and they are in New Jersey, which is a sister state for me. And in every box, you get 1 glitter product, 1 pair of lashes, and 2 to 3 full-size products, which that is always nice to get. Like I said, the presentation is always very nice. So we'll remove the tissue. A lot of tissue this month. Open it up here. I'm sorry, that noise would drive me crazy on the other end. Oops. So it comes wrapped up nice in nice tissue paper with a cute little sticker on it. So we'll open that right up. So, like I said, they always send you a pair of lashes, and these lashes are from Dainty Cosmetics. So here's the packaging. It comes like this. And then these are the lashes right here. Very, very pretty. I don't wear lashes. I have pretty long lashes myself, but I love to save these for giveaways because I know a lot of people do wear them. And the Dainty Cosmetics Luxe Handmade Lashes have a value of anywhere from $3 to $7. I guess it depends. These were the New York. I know there were several other names, so maybe they cost different prices, but $3 to $7, which is fine. The next product is from Pinky Rose Cosmetics. It's a pressed glitter, and it has a value of $2. And this is what the packaging looks like. Really cute. I am not a glitter wearer myself, but I love giving this away in giveaways, including these. I've tried glitter a few times, and it just doesn't fare well with my eyes. Of course, I cannot get it out of the package. Here it comes. So it comes in this little plastic, and these you could pop easily because they're magnetic into a Z palette. So this is what it looks like. Very, very pretty color. I'm not saying that it's not. Yeah, it doesn't have a specific name on it, but that, I mean, that's pretty. That's like a pinky purple type color. So that would be the glitter and the lash that you get every box, and then you get 2 to 3 full-size other products. So this next product is from Saucebox Cosmetics. I have never heard of them. And this is value of $12, and this is a pressed pigment. And this is what this looks like. And it looks like the color that I got is called Sea Glass. And it has like a little peekaboo window on the back to tell you the color. I mean, the packaging is beautiful. Love the packaging. And this is also another, and this is like a green, obviously for Sea Glass. And this is a larger pan. You can see the back here. And this is, you know, obviously you can pop right into a Z palette. I'm not usually a fan of anything that I have to pop in a Z palette. But sometimes the colors are nice that you can, you know, it's easy just to pull out, you know, a Z palette instead of having all these singles. I've gotten, I think, three or 4 Z palettes. I know a couple of them I got from, like, the Ofra Cosmetics mystery bags. They usually have a palette in there, which is good. And the next product is from, I guess this is their brand. Because it says Glitz Glam Box, $12, and this is a diamond eyeliner. And this is what it looks like. And it says Mirage on the side. So let's see what the color is. Yes, this is going to be difficult. I doubt very much you're going to see that. But this is, the packaging is all silver, and it is a silver liner, which I might like. That goes on very, very nice. Oh, I like that. A little piece of it came off the tip, which is okay. So this is it right there. I always put it on a difficult angle for you guys to see. So that's it right there. Very, very pretty. I do like that a lot. See, something like that I might attempt, but sometimes when they're just too glittery, I just cannot do it. But I do like that. That is very, very nice. And I don't know if I told you that is a $12 value. And the last item is from Carmela Cosmetics. It's a hydrating matte lipstick, and it has a value of $24. And this is the packaging. Very, very nice. And we did get emails that we get to choose our color. And I have Aloha, and here, I don't know if you guys will see that, Aloha. So this should be the pink. I'm not aware of pink. I really wasn't a fan of any of the shades, but I figured, and this is the packaging. Very, very pretty. I mean, I doubt very much. I mean, that is a pink. So I doubt I'll wear that, but I was not going to pick a purple or any of the other colors, even though the purple might have been better because I did see it. It was more, it looked like the tone would be better. So I will include this in a giveaway, and hopefully somebody will wear that. So those are the the 5 products that we received this month for May in the Glitz Glam box. And I'm not sure if this is my second or my third box with them. I usually get a subscription for 3 months before I make a decision whether I'm going to keep it or cancel and bring something else to the channel. I'm not sure if I'm going to be keeping this one, honestly. I'm finding that at least, and in this case, I would say 4 out of the 5 products I'm not going to keep, that I'm not going to wear. So $15 for an eyeliner that I'll wear occasionally is not necessarily something that fits in with what I want at this time. So I might give them one more try, one more month, and see how the box goes. I mean, I know the first one I got a palette in, and that was very nice, and that enticed me to get the next box and so forth. So I think that's how they get you. They know that you'll keep on ordering. And I know not every month is going to be great for every single person, but when I have 4 products here that I know I will not use, that is not a good box for me. So this one, I would say, if I had to rate it, you know, from 1 to 5 stars, I would probably give it, you know, a 1 or a 2 star, just because I won't wear the products. Now I know about the lashes that I would never wear them. So, but some of the glitters I would try. I mean, the eyeshadow is nice, but Z palettes, everybody has a different opinion about them. So I would rather pull out an entire palette that I can complete a look from using the one palette, not from having to grab from different ones. That's just my opinion and the way I like to do makeup. But I will give them another month and see how next month goes for June. And after that, I will make my final decision whether I keep or cancel. So that is the video for today. Please leave me a comment down below. Have you heard of Glitz Glam Box? I know they're relatively a new company and box. Would you get it? Do you think the value is there for $15? And let me know what you thought of the products that I got in this month's box. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.